As Puerto Rico continues to grapple with a series of earthquakes hitting the island, a local nonprofit wants to help.
They are bringing in dogs and cats to the States. And your side's Deanna Bettineschi spoke with the founder today. And Deanna, she says that she's not just helping the animals here.
No, not at all. And there are actually a lot of rescuers down in Puerto Rico right now, but she says they won't leave their home and go to safety if their animals aren't taken care of.
Animals have always had a place in Sally Gear's heart. She has 4 rescues at home, but she took her passion and turned it into a way to help others. She now runs Island Dog Rescue.
We're a nonprofit organization birthed from the island of St. Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands, which is where I grew up.
The organization focuses on low-cost or no-cost spay and neuters, partnerships with veterinarians, humane education, and transport of animals. She was in the Navy for 20 years and now works with United Airlines. When she heard about the earthquakes that continue to hit Puerto Rico, she knew she had to help. She has dedicated fosters down there who she interacts with often.
She has like 5 dogs or 6 to travel.
She says this foster had sent her a voice memo about dogs, and then minutes later, another voice memo came through. Only this time, the woman's voice was much different. Another earthquake had hit.
This is very stressful, Sally. This is trembling all the time. Right now, I just finished messaging you, and there was a very big movement. I was in my kitchen. I was like too scared to move.
Gear says today a flight is coming from Puerto Rico with 43 dogs and cats. She says she's not just helping save animals, but people too.
There are people that won't leave. They will not leave without their dogs and cats and animals.
She says the animals are arriving in Miami today and then will be driven up to our area tomorrow, where they will be given to different rescue organizations.
Right now, Gear says they're looking for donations. $75 funds a crate from Puerto Rico to the States, and it's a big crate that can hold more than 1 animal. We've posted more information for you over on WAVY.com. Deanna Bettineschi, 10 on your side.